Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. A great value for money estate car just arrived in. It's a Peugeot 207 SW HDI active, so it's a diesel 1.6. Very versatile vehicle. It's a 2012 on a 62 plate with full service history. The car is beautiful all the way around. It really is. Only 2 owners from new. Nice handy little estate car. 207. Cheap road tax, great miles per gallon. Nice low loading area there. Good sized boot. All nice and clean, not been abused anyway. Split folding rear seats. Brand new spare wheel in there, all toolkit, all complete. No damage to the loading area. Bodywork is beautiful all the way around. Very nice and clean all the way, as you can see. No major dents, scratches, scuffs anywhere. It's got the plastic wheel trims on. All those in fairly good condition, no major damage to those. Matching Michelin tyres all the way around, including the spare as well. Front fog lights, chrome roof rails. They really are great value for money. Lots of space in there. Black cloth upholstery, all in absolutely fabulous condition. Non-smoker's car, no smells in here. No damage to any of that upholstery. You'd think it was almost like brand new actually, considering it's a 2012 car. Again, all the door trims, great condition. Electric front windows, electric mirrors. Again, all the seats, the trims, look at that. How fabulous is that? Stereo CD, air conditioning. 5-speed manual gearbox. With a mileage of just 40765, it's a very low mileage for its age, and of course, as I mentioned, it's got full service history all the way through. The last owner bought it when it wasn't very old at all, and cherished it all the way through. Very versatile vehicle, great value for money, great miles per gallon, cheap road tax. What a car. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Welcome part exchange. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. So if you fancy it at 2 o'clock in the morning, just click and reserve. So there we have it. Available from Specialist Cars in Stoke-on-Trent, multi-award winning dealer. Any further information, please just give me a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.